are the one who is it.
Understood.
Well, I've got to hand it to you, Seymour. These drab student coverings have created the perfect distraction-free environment, thus preparing the children for permanent positions in tomorrow's mills and processing facilities. Best of all, with less than a minute to go before I leave, absolutely nothing has gone wrong.
Well, it is starting to rain, but I can hardly be blamed for that, can I?
Yeah, very good.
Wow, look at all the colors, man.
Red, green, yellow, orange. I remember all these.
I'm freaking out! Hey, something's coming back to me. Down with homework! And down with uniforms!
Ow, 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 ow. Skinner, why aren't these uniforms color-fast?
I don't understand it. I got them at the same place I buy Mother's dresses, and good Lord, Mother's in the park.
Now this I gotta see.